How to create email campaign in Zoho CRM. In this video, I'll show you how to create email campaign in Zoho CRM. So to get started, go ahead and open Zoho CRM into your browser and then head over into the campaigns tab, which you'll find under the sales section. So in this section, go ahead and click on create campaign, and then into this section you need to go ahead and create the campaign name, the start date of the campaign, the expected revenue, actual cost, number sent, type of campaign, so make sure to set this to email, and then set the status and date, your budgeted cost, and your expected response. You can also incorporate the description information of the specific campaign. And then once you're done, simply click on the save button, which you'll find at the top right of your screen. So once you're done with this, you can go ahead and design your email. So you need to click on send email, choose an existing email template, or create a new one, and use merge tags like first name for personalization. So you can go ahead and proceed on sending a test email to yourself or teammate, check formatting links and personalization, and then go ahead and schedule or send that specific email. So you'll get delivery reports and open or click metrics afterward. And that is how you can basically create an email campaign in Zoho CRM. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.